carry term external wall insulation systems. I would like to show you how I take off the window strip. So this window strip, and why I do it. This strip usually you can take out very easy. It depends of type of the windows, but usually it's very easy to take out. And why I take out this strip? Because behind this strip is probably, with most cases, a space. So if you not take out this strip, you fit your windowsills, is thermo bridge, and it's not so good. Okay, so I would like to show you how I take out and what it is behind the strip. You start with one corner, left or right. I choose the left. So you pull one of the corners and then gently you slip. Okay, just gently, because sometimes if you push very hard, you can damage this part of the windows. Okay, so gently you take out the strip. Okay, and now we have a look what is over here.